Hey guys, Snarfimus here, continuing on Witcher 3. We just did the tutorial. It was kind of boring, a lot of videos. I learned some few things, but now we're going to start with the game. So, grab some soda and popcorn and just relax and enjoy the game with me. Alright. One does fire. This is... oh shit. Yeah.
What now, you piece of...
This blurry vision, man. Horse. Come on, horse. You're in my way, man. Vesemir, I thought you were good, man. How many ghouls do you have to fight? Blah, blah, blah.
Of course. An armless pass, necrophages follow. Let's go before any more show up.
Oh. Cool. I'm eating, I know. Come here, horse. Ooh, water really does a good one.
Ever tell you about this sorcerer I knew? Couldn't stop talking about how useful they are as creatures.
What kind of horse? Roach.
Because you can brew potions from their blood?
No, because by eating rotting corpses, they prevent epidemics.
Did he know they eat the living as well?
No, really upset him too. His theory collapsed.
This looks really nice. This is a good looking game. I really hate the blurred vision.
Just roach.
Oh, much better. No blur.
War is not exactly going our way.
We have a side.
The Northern Realms.
Radovid's realms, don't you mean? Temeria and Edirn are no more.
Radovid's pledged to restore the old borders as soon as he wins the war.
Believe that?
Gotta believe something. It's what keeps us going.
Oh man, this village got fucked up. Oh, people are still alive too. Damn.
Giddy up.
Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Man, where are we going? Lead me somewhere. Sometime later.
We going? Help me! Help!
Oh damn, that thing looks huge. Get your fucking horses away from him. Oh, you're bleeding. Oh man, don't tell me the mask's been taken out by one little hit.
Has it gone?
Yeah. Come out.
Gods, that was close. I was sure I'd end up like my mare.
Provided you got lucky.
Your horse died quickly, but griffins like to toy with their prey. Eat it, alive, piece by piece.
Oh,
That would have sucked.
you'd like a reward, I suppose.
You don't even have a fucking horse, dude. You don't owe me anything.
You don't owe us anything. You were in need. We helped.
And they call witches heartless. Say they won't lift a finger without pay.
They also say mice are born of rotting straw. Back to the trail.
Like I said, leads to the main road and ends there. Muddled.
You seek someone?
Yes, a woman. Medium height, long black hair. Seen anyone like that?
No. But there's an inn here in White Orchard. Sole one around. Gets its share of travelers. Perhaps you'll learn something there.
Look at his haircut.
Besides,
Damn, it's
the
horrible.
innkeep's my cousin. Tell her Bram sent you. She'll treat you like family.
Not a bad idea. Especially since that wound needs cleaning.
Beast barely grazed me. But sure, could use a good rye. Nice and cool, you know, straight from a cellar.
Let's go.
Oh, you came back, Roach. Oh, okay. The white dots on my map are to show me where to go.
So, a griffin this close to the village? Strange.
My thoughts exactly. In the forest or the mountain, sure, but here? Near the main road.
Maybe it's the war. Corpses everywhere, the stench of blood, burnt flesh. Drives monsters crazy sometimes.
Men, too. We need to watch ourselves in White Orchard. And we should leave as soon as we learn anything.
Local residents often erect notice boards. Alright.
Whoa there, Roach.
You just got a lump of bread today.
My gran told me about a Snarfimus. Lad went missing one day, so Poke had a
Slower.
Started poking at Master. I think those plums are eating the
Wham
wham
bam, they knocked his head off.
Oh, so it worked.
Slow now. Whoa.
Let's get off the Roach. Oh, what a dick. Wow, what a dick, too. Oh, and the classic perv.
Take that down before there's trouble.
That is your coat of arms, the Temerian lilies. They've a right to hang there.
This ain't Temeria no more, old man. It's Nilfgaard now.
My arse it is.
Oh, shit.
Witches? I'll not drink with Weaver-lost freaks.
Oh, well.
Beg your pardon for those thugs.
No need. We're used to it.
Folk are jumpy around here. Armies just passed through. Now a griffin's prowling about.
Already had the pleasure. Ran into your kinsman, Bram.
Bram? How is he?
Alive. Sends his regards.
Master Witches. Food and drink on the house. What can I get you?
Option markets, blah, blah. Oh, we're trapped.
Looking for a woman. Raven-haired, violet eyes, dresses in black and white. Riding in from Willoughby. And, Strange as it sounds, lilac and gooseberries might have smelled that.
I've not seen nor smelt such a lady. I believe I'd remember.
Believe I'd remember.
Especially hard to forget this one.
Plenty of travellers about, though. Folk from all over. Might be worth your while to ask after her.
Now I have to search. Fuck.
Show me what you got behind the counter.
Show me what you got behind the counter. Buy items. Alright. Potions? Using alchemy. What do I have, man? Alright, that's chicken. Let's get some more chicken. Yeah, I thought you were buying me a bitch. I have to cook it. Cow's milk, water. Oh, water did a good job. Where's my money?
There a contract on that griffin?
Nay, not at the moment. Used to be. Soon as a beast had built a nest nearby, the alderman would start a collection, or go to the lord for help. Now the alderman don't use the privy without asking the Black One's permission first. And seems they hanged the lord. So no contract.
Shame.
Damn.
We might have done something, but not for free.
Damn. Bird me.
Thanks for everything.
Oh, they want to fight now, huh? Nope.
Help you bandage that up?
Please. I'm not decrepit yet.
Then I'll ask about Yennefer.
Just remember, we'd rather not draw any attention.
Here, Black One's been out measuring the fields.
Let him measure. Better that than burning the harvest.
Drommel, you're dumber than a headless cockerel. Why are they marking out their...
Alright.
There are 4 factions.
For what?
Factions!
Teams, suits, similar to clubs.
Oh, great.
Done drinking? Then fuck off.
Don't want your kind here.
Option. Make use of the sign. This influence your line cause act according to your will. Oh yeah, I'll just tell him back off.
Haven't done anything to you, so just calm down.
Of course not. You done nothing.
Horses working witchcraft. Get him!
Oh man. I am so bad at this at the moment. What? Can I give you a fucking Hail Mary? Boom! Sit down. Awesome. Oh man, that's my time already. Damn. Alright guys, this will be the end of this episode. Not much happened, we're just getting into everything, but I'm gonna see you on the next episode.